Hi, my name's Ben Webber. I'm a postdoctoral research assistant at the University of East Anglia, and I study how the oceans are contributing to melting glaciers around Antarctica. To do this, I use sea gliders. These are underwater robots. We send them out into remote environments, and they radio back lots of information about the ocean, which we can then process here at the University of East Anglia. My first memory of doing science was back in primary school. We did an experiment to recreate what Galileo did, dropping balls off the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So we had one heavy ball and we had one light ball. And I was convinced that the heavy ball was going to hit the ground first, and I was completely astounded when it didn't. And that really got me curious into why that was the case. And it's that kind of curiosity into how the world works and why things happen that are sometimes surprising that really keeps me interested in science and has got me doing what I'm doing today. In my free time, I'm an avid rock climber. Norfolk's not the best place to do this because it's very flat, but we do have some very good climbing walls. And whenever I can, I like to get out to the hills. I also really like hill walking, and I've been out all around the UK and around Europe. And in fact, in a week's time, I'm about to head off to Nepal, where I'm going to do a 2-week trek in the Himalayas, which I'm very excited about. For me, the biggest unanswered question in oceanography is what's going to happen to sea level over the next century. Because this is going to be something that affects us all as our climate changes. And my science ties into this because I'm studying how the oceans transport heat to the glaciers of West Antarctica. And this is a massive ice sheet that's all grounded below sea level and therefore has the potential to be melted by the oceans as they warm. So we really need to understand how these ocean processes are tying in with the melting of the glaciers in order to be able to predict and quantify the possible future sea level rise. My favourite thing about doing science is those breakthrough moments, because the science that we do is really at the forefront of human understanding. And so when you get some data back from the sea gliders that have been in an area that's never been observed before, and you realise that something's going on that people never knew about, that's just so exciting. It's fantastic.